Now let's find out how we write the equation of a straight line. So very fundamental question. If I say there's a point 4 comma 4, and if I ask you what is the equation of a line, the equation of a straight line in coordinate geometry would be generally a format ax plus by equals to cr plus c equals to 0, whatever the way you write, right? So generally I should have x and y as variables and some coefficients and a constant term. That's how it would look, right? But through a point I can have infinite lines that pass through. So which line should I refer to? That's why this is not sufficient information for me. Ideally I should have 2 points through which the line pass, right? Through which the line is passing through, or I need to know 1 point and the slope of the line. These are 2 possible ways through which I can find out that specific line. Otherwise I'll have infinite lines if I just give you 1 point. So if I give you a slope on 1 point, then automatically the slope of each line is different. So I cannot have multiple lines which are same slope and passes through 4 comma 4. So that's why I'll have only one equation. Similarly, if I'm giving you 2 points, there's only one line which passes through 2 points. So if I ask you what is the equation of a line which passes through 4 comma 4 and let's say 8 comma 2, there is only one line which passes through like this, right? These lines would not pass through, any other line will not pass through it. So that's why these are all not valid. Or I can also say that, right, let's say the slope of this is something, right? So slope of the line is something. I give you slope and I give you 1 point, you can write the equation. So when I get 2 points, the first step I need to do when I know 2 point is to first find the slope of a line only. So first let's find the slope of a line. If I know 4 comma 4 and 8 comma 2, so y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is 2 by 4 is minus half. Right, then the step 2 is this. So this slope, right? The formula for writing equation is this: y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So this is the formula when I know that the slope of a line is m and the line passes through point x1 comma y1. Then the equation of the line would be of this form: y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Right, here I know 2 points, 4 comma 4 and 8 comma 2. So which one should be x1 comma y1? Any of these 2 points is fine. Both of them will give you the same answer. Let me show that. So what should I do? No slope is minus half, right? M is this, x minus, let's take this case, x1 is 4, y minus 4, right? See, as I said, the answer will be in x and y, so you cannot substitute anything for x and y here. So this is how you should solve. Everything else is already substituted. Just play around to get equation. I send it this side. 2y minus 8 is minus x plus 4, right? I multiply with minus 4. This goes this side. So 2y plus x is equals to 12. That's the equation I got. Let me show you with this case. I'll substitute 8 comma 2 as x1 comma y1 in this case. Y minus 2 is equals to minus half into x minus 8. This goes this side. 2y minus 4 is equals to minus 8 plus minus x plus 8. This goes this side, comes this side. 2y plus x is equals to 12. The same equation, right? As I said, doesn't matter which of these 2 points is taken as x1 comma y1, you'll get the same answer. As I said, if I know slope and 1 point, if I say that what is the equation of a line which passes through 4 comma 4 and has a slope minus 1 by 2, you simply do the same thing, right? The step 2. This case, when I know 2 points, I have to do one additional step, that is to first find the slope. So I simply do this: y minus 4, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Get this and I get the same answer. That's how you find the equation of a straight line, right? This is how you should find. So I should know 2 points, or I should know 1 point on the slope of a line. When I know 2 points, the first step is always to find the slope and then use this formula. So sometimes you can also write or maybe get some information of an equation in particular way, and you can use intercept form to actually make it easy to write. Let's say I say there's a line which cuts x-axis at 4 and y-axis at 4 as well. What is the equation of this line? X-axis at 4, what is this point? 4 comma What about this point? 0, 4. Okay, let me take another line, maybe to just make it a little bit easy for you. Let's say that this is cutting x-axis at 6. So 6, 0 and this is 0, 2. Okay, let me call these 2 points. What is the equation of this line? What is the earlier method I said? I know 2 points. So first I find the slope. 0 minus 2 by 6 minus 0, that is minus 1 by 3. And then I do for this point x1, y1, let's say this. So y minus 2 is equals to x minus 0. This goes this side. 3y minus 6 is equals to minus x. This side, so 3y plus x is equals to 6 is the equation. Right, that's what we get this from earlier technique. The intercept form is basically this. When I know that a line cuts x-axis at point A, right, so automatically the point A is like a comma 0 and cuts the y-axis at 0 comma b, right? This is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept of the line. The equation of a line can be written as x by a plus y by b equals to 1. In this case, I was saying it is cutting x-axis at 6, so it can be written as x by 6 plus at y-axis at 2, 0 comma 2, so that will be y by 2 equals to 1, right? So LCM is 6, so it will be x plus 3y is equals to 1. This goes this side. X plus 3y is equals to 6. Right, that's what the equation is, which is what we've achieved from this whole thing. So intercept form is very useful. When I know that this line is cutting the intercepts at x-axis and y-axis at particular points, I can straight away write the equation. All other cases obviously can't do it, you have to use this method, but I'm saying this is something that can be used in some problems to be solved. So keep this in mind and you can apply it when the right time comes. Then equation of horizontal and vertical lines. So let's say I'm talking about a line like this, okay? This line, what is the equation of this line? One of the way I can ask you this, what is the equation of a line parallel to y-axis passing through this point, right? What is this point? 4, 0. This is what the question is fundamentally when I say what is the equation of this line, right? So parallel to y-axis and slope. What is the slope of the y-axis? If you remember, the slope of y-axis is 1 by 0. Right? Slope of x-axis is 0 and this is 1 by 0. Minus 1 by 0, take it as 1 by 0. So it's the same. And it's passing through a point 4, 0. So you substitute in that way, right? So this line is parallel to this. So obviously automatically this line will also have slope of the same slope. Parallel lines have same slope. So to find the equation of this line, y minus 0 equals to 1 by 0 into x minus 4. Right, so 0 goes this side, 0 into everything makes it 0, 0 into 1, so x minus 4, so x is equals to 4. Right, generally a line parallel to y-axis would be of the format x is equals to some constant value. And this constant value depends on what is this, x coordinate of this entire line. The x coordinate will not change, right? What is this? 4, 0. What is this? 4, 2. What about this? Point 4, 4. What about this thing? 4, minus 2. See, y keeps changing of all the points on the line, but x will be 4, 4, 4, 4. That's the point, right? Obviously. So that's what the equation will also look like. X is constant. Similarly, if I'm talking about a line like this, just pass and try what would be the format of it. Passing through, let's say, this point, 0, 2. It would be of the format y is equals to constant. And this specific thing should be y is equals to 2 is the equation of this line. Right, that's how you find for the horizontal and vertical lines. So let's solve this question again, the easier one, very fundamental one. So I'm giving you 2 points. I'm asking you to find the equation of the line AB. So A is 2, 4 and B is minus 3, 2, and equation of the line joining A and B. What is the slope of the line? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is 2 by 5 is the slope of the line. And I know it passes through, right? Let me take 2, 4 as that point. So y minus 4 equals to m into x minus x1. It goes right, 5 by minus 20 is equals to 2x minus 4. So this goes this side, comes this side. Or whatever, I send 5 by this side, let's send this side and go this side. So minus 20, minus 4 is minus 16, 2x minus 5. Whatever the way you write, that's the equation you have, right? You can send 16 also this side, whatever it is. This is the equation of this line AB. Find the equation of the line BC if BC is perpendicular to AB. Right, let me call this the line, okay? Our C can also be here, still we'll get the same answer. There's nothing different in that. So, what is the equation of the slope of the line BC? I know that it is perpendicular to AB, so the product of slopes should be equal to minus 1. What is the slope of AB? 2 by 5. So, BC will be 2 by 5 goes that side, minus 5 by 2 is the slope. Once I know slope of this is minus 5 by 2 and the coordinates of B is minus 3 comma 2, right? The line passes through minus 3 comma 2. So, same formula I use, y minus 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 into x minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Side 2y minus 4 minus 5x minus 15. So, 5x plus 2y is equals to minus 11, right? That's the answer for this. Find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis passing through point A. So this is what we've discussed. So equation of a line parallel to x-axis passing through A. So parallel to x-axis would be this. As I said, parallel to x-axis would be of the formula y is equals to constant. And what is the coordinate of A? 2 comma 4. So basically this line would be of the format y is equals to 4. That's the equation of this line which is parallel to x-axis passing through point A. Right, that's how you solve these questions.